Forcing to tell us where the clock is, huh?
Nefarious would be foolish to reveal that information to us, no matter what we do to him. But we have an advantage I did not have before. A contact inside the clock.
Clank? How are we gonna talk to him? General, my ship's this way?
No thanks. I brought my own. Meet me in Axiom City, planet Terragnos.
What are we looking for in Axiom City?
A way to talk to Clank.
Let me show you a golden ball just to make sure. First, find where you should be going right here. And go not here, but here, and you wait until it goes down. And then it goes up, and you got a golden ball right here. And then you go like this back and wait for it. I'm doing whatever, I'm just going to start it again and let's go. Oh yeah, we got the rocket boost. Oh yeah, this is part 12. I mean, this is part 13. Welcome to Ratchet and Clank, Crack Time, part 13.
Ratchet, come in. I've keyed into your nav unit so we can communicate.
Copy that. So, what's in Axiom City?
A company called Pollux Industries. Nefarious hired them to locate Sony technology. They keep a database of every obsidian eye in the universe.
Let's see somewhere here. No, nothing new.
Greetings, outsider. I'm conducting an experiment for the Lowered League of Celestial Oddities. How'd you like to chase a comet in the interest of science? All you need is a fast ship and a tether.
How can I know that's working? Man, I must be more careful. Let's just use the rocket boots.